Alrighty, guys, welcome back to another episode of listening part one, where we'll give you a short guide on how to tackle the fill in the gap type of question. And again, first of all, in order to do this type of questions effectively, all you really have to do is to read around the gap and try to predict what kind of answers can appear in the gap. For example, first of all, here I can see that they say the holiday accommodation in Boston Bay. Right, so it's about a holiday accommodation. Maybe the speaker here is trying to rent a house or trying to book a hotel. And from this, I know that it will be near a beach, and which is beautiful and something. So probably something related to the exterior, right? The appearance of the house or the accommodation. It could be beautiful and something, or it could be something related to the beach. Maybe this is the beach that is beautiful and something related to the beach. Okay, so pay attention to that. Next here I can see about the amenities. It means that yeah, what are there in the home or in the accommodation? I can see here there's a swimming pool, which can be something so swimmer feel comfortable. All right, so judging from this, based on grammar, I know that 100% after in number two, it must be a verb, and the verb should be in um, uh, end with a D or in past participle, because yeah, it's passive voice over here. So it could probably be a swimming pool. Maybe it could be clean, or it could be I don't know, cool or something related to the pool. Okay, pay attention to that. Other than that, there's also the tennis court or something hire services. So something they can hire, probably a bike or some kind of other transportation, I guess. Alright, next for the accommodation itself, there's the self-catering cottages with 2 bedrooms, kitchen with facilities such as something. So something in the kitchen, it could be a sink, a dishwasher, a microwave, um, kitchen equipment set, something like that. All right, just one word. So probably a kitchen item. Next, a living room with TV and a collection of family something. Maybe movies, because they mentioned about living rooms and TV. So probably collection of family movies, maybe. Next, a welcome pack include something tea and other beverages. All right, so I see here they talk about tea and other beverages. So I'm quite sure number six is will be another kind of beverage, and beverage is actually like a drink. So probably water or soda, something like that. Next, other information. It takes something minutes. Okay, so this definitely will be a number. Probably like 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Pay attention to that. Next, something is a 5-minute drive from the holiday park. All right, so judging from this, I know that this will be a location because it is the best fit over here. A place, right? Maybe a holiday park. I don't know, maybe a tourist destination or some kind of amusement park. It will be 5-minute drive from the holiday park, okay? And the nearest town has good restaurant by the harbor, amusement park, and something. So a place, pay attention to that. And finally here, the cost. Okay, it will be a number. And never write, and remember to never write down the first word or the first cost that you hear. It will definitely be a trick. It usually be the second answer or maybe the third based on, they say, the week beginning 22nd of August. All right. So that's the step number one you guys should do. And in practice or in the real exam situation, I will be doing that kind of answer predicting technique incredibly fast, maybe just on the spot when I'm reading the gaps over here and listening to the audio at the same time. So let's put that into practice and see how well we do with this test, all right? All right. Okay, so these are my answer. I'm quite certain about number two, where they say, as I have said before, it should be a verb over here, and it's passive voice, so it should be heated, right? And number four is also correctly predicted. You can see it's a kitchen equipment. In this case, it's a microwave. And number six is also predicted. I do say that it will be another type of beverage, and was indeed milk, right? And seven, yep, a number to represent the minute. And yeah, over here too, 915 pounds should be the correct answer. They try to trick us with the first one, but the speaker here will most likely gonna go on the week beginning 22nd of August, so that will be 915 pounds. All right, so let's see how we do. Oh, excellent, got everything right. Okay, that will be it for today's sessions. Thank you for joining in, and leave a comment on mm, your questions. Okay, I don't know. Okay, good. Thanks, guys, for coming.